This transformation is very much in the spirit and the historical mission of this school as one of access and opportunity to the legal profession, but with very significant characteristics that differ from past practices.
We're kind of pivoting all the different parts of the university in a way that really reflects where the economy is headed, where the culture is headed, where legal education is headed.
This year we have a class full of presidential scholars. Presidential scholars are students who receive full scholarships, meaning they graduate law school with no law school debt.
We're putting our money where our mouth is. We're committed to diversifying the legal profession. We understand that our students come from traditionally underrepresented backgrounds and first-generation backgrounds, and we are allowing them to come into this institution tuition-free, completely different than any other law school.
So many of our students want to help people, and that doesn't always provide tremendous remuneration to pay off a law school debt. So I think being able to graduate debt-free from law school is tremendous.
They have an opportunity to pursue their idealism, to pursue what they really want to do, whether that's a social justice track or whether they want to work for a startup. Not having the burden of debt is going to be very freeing and allow them to shape their careers based on what they want to do with their law degree.
As a first-generation college student and law student, it feels amazing to have this opportunity. I feel free to follow whatever path I want to follow without having that thought of how I'm going to pay for this.
A big concern about going back to law school, especially when you're in your 30s, is incurring a whole bunch of debt. And also you're not expected to be working. Taking 3 years out of your work life is a big commitment to make to a program like this.
While bringing in this much smaller class, we are also continuing our historical commitment to diversity, and we will remain one of the most diverse law schools in the country.
The smaller class size is going to be a substantial benefit to students because as a professor, I'm going to be able to provide a much higher level of support both in the class and outside of the class with additional mentoring and career advising. So the whole holistic package of service that students are going to get in law school is going to be substantially improved.
The individualized attention that all of our students will be able to receive, even greater individualized attention than we've provided in the past, will allow them to form really important bonds with faculty and staff who can serve as mentors.
We are also launching 2 new degree programs in the law school. These degrees are designed to prepare students for law-related careers for which one does not need to be a lawyer, or to prepare students who wish to go on and earn a JD. So a student who does well in those programs will do well in law school and will do well in passing the bar exam and ultimately succeed as lawyers.
We're creating a really exciting space at this university where whether you're on the JD track, the master's track, or the undergraduate track, you're going to be in the vanguard of what is needed in order to actually get the jobs that are available today and to be able to actually do them.
By opening up new pathways to legal careers and legal education and identifying diverse, underrepresented, or underprivileged students as undergrads, and then nurturing those students and then offering them a free path to the JD degree, certainly will open up, we believe, more diversity in the legal profession, and beyond that, provide real opportunity to those students to graduate without the kind of crushing debt that so many law students graduate with.
The opportunities and resources that GGU School of Law is providing is amazing. I feel very supported and like I have a big team to help me with this tough time.